Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the wonders of nutrition and wellness. Today we're shining the spotlight on flaxseed, a tiny seed with big health benefits. Flaxseed, also known as linseed, has been cultivated for thousands of years for its nutritional and medicinal properties. Despite its small size, flaxseed packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. One of the most notable benefits of flaxseed is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation in the body. Flaxseed is also an excellent source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber helps lower cholesterol levels and stabilizes blood sugar levels, while insoluble fiber promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Incorporating flaxseed into your diet is easy and versatile. You can sprinkle ground flaxseed on top of oatmeal, yogurt, or salads for a nutty flavor and nutritional boost. You can also blend it into smoothies or mix it into baked goods like muffins, pancakes, or bread. Another creative way to enjoy flaxseed is by making homemade flaxseed crackers. Simply mix ground flaxseed with water, seasonings, and any additional ingredients like herbs, spices, or nuts. Spread the mixture thinly on a baking sheet and bake until crispy. These crackers are perfect for snacking or dipping into hummus or guacamole. Flaxseed oil is another popular way to reap the health benefits of flaxseed. Cold-pressed flaxseed oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and can be used as a salad dressing or drizzled over cooked vegetables for a boost of flavor and nutrition. If you're looking for a nutritious breakfast option, try making flaxseed pancakes. Simply add ground flaxseed to your favorite pancake batter recipe for an extra dose of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Top them with fresh fruit and a drizzle of maple syrup for a delicious and satisfying meal. Did you know that you can also use flaxseed to make a gel-like substance that can be used as an egg substitute in baking? Simply mix ground flaxseed with water and let it sit for a few minutes until it thickens. Use it in place of eggs in recipes like muffins, cookies, or cakes for a vegan-friendly alternative. Last but not least, why not indulge in a creamy and nutritious flaxseed pudding? Mix ground flaxseed with your favorite plant-based milk and sweetener and let it sit in the fridge overnight until it thickens. Top it with fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds for a satisfying dessert or snack. So there you have it, folks. The many health benefits of flaxseed and creative ways to incorporate it into your diet. Whether you're sprinkling it on top of your morning cereal, blending it into a smoothie, or using it in baking recipes, flaxseed is a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and nutrition tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.